The Manning School is represented this evening by Team Captain Sierra Hall, Tian Ray Barnes, Hassan Smith, and Rachel Brown. While Holy Childhood High is represented by Sharona Willis, Neha Chang, Brianna Allen, and Team Captain Simone Fenty. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round one action of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Holy Childhood High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Holy Childhood High. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, Holy Childhood. So we'll begin with mathematics. What is the greatest common factor of 70, 54, and 95?
Seven.
No, it's 1. Mathematics for Manning School. What is the greatest common factor of 144 and 198?
12, 14,
12.
No, it's 18. Local affairs, a visual one for Holy Childhood. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Alfred Dawes.
Opposition spokesman on health is correct. Local affairs for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Denise
Daly.
Member of Parliament. Correct. History for Holy Childhood. Which Haitian general was the most prominent leader of the Haitian Revolution?
Toussaint Louverture.
Very good. History for Manning School. Who was the first Haitian emperor and ruler of independent Haiti?
Jacques Rousseau.
No, it's Jean-Jacques Dessalines. Physics for Holy Childhood. When a force F moves an object a distance d in the direction of the force, W, the work done, can be obtained from which equation?
So, force over distance.
W equals F times D. Physics for Manning School. State the equation using conventional symbols, which is a mathematical expression of Newton's second law of motion.
F equal MA.
F equal MA.
Very good. Music and audio one for Holy Childhood. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer, please.
Aline.
No Ordinary Love. Correct. Music from Manning School. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer, please.
Roman Virgo.
We don't worry about them. Correct. Spanish Holy Childhood. What is the English translation for La práctica hace la perfección?
The practical went perfectly. The practical went perfectly.
Practice makes perfect expression. Spanish Manning's School. What is the English translation for El fruto de los labios?
The fruit of the lips.
The fruit of the lips.
Good. Theatre and cinema. Visual one for Holy Childhood. Ladies, look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Josh Brolin.
No, it's Mel Gibson. Theatre and cinema. Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Danny Glover.
That's right. Information technology, Holy Childhood. What term is used to refer to copyrighted software that is available at no cost for unlimited usage?
Freeware.
That's right. Information tech for Manning's. What is the term used to refer to the try before you buy software distribution model?
Sample before try.
Sampleware.
Shareware. Sport, a visual one, Holy Childhood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Clairvoyant. Clive Lloyd.
No, it's Patrick Patterson. Sport for Mannings. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
So, Frank Royal. Frank Royal. Frank Royal.
Frank Warren.
No, Jeffrey Dujon, both former West Indies cricketers, and there is the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Manning School on 5, Holy Childhood High on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge, Schools Challenge Quiz. 56 returns right after these messages.